I live in Denmark, so I'm not entirely sure about how it is in Sweden, but things are generally the same in Scandinavian. They call me grandma because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. It found out that my grandma worked at Coors factory bottling beer and met the Coors brothers and their father. I also learned that in high school she worked at the Bluebird Theater in Denver. I wrote to them to see if they had any old photos, but they never answered. She had a crush on the shift manager, but he fancied one other the other girls. They call me grandma because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women. They call me grandma because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. Tank top, V-neck. I agree with this. My husband's grandma is 93. My husband always says he doesn't know what to say to her. But I work in they call me grandma because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence shirt. I would always call my great-grandma first. Her calls were really easy. It would ask how her day was going and she would start talking, oftentimes repeating things she said and getting lost in her train of thought. But these conversations would last about 20 minutes. Official: they call me grandma because partner in crime makes me sound like a bad influence. Sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt. I would then call my Ukrainian grandma, which would be an hour-long call. But I was ready for it. I prepped with my great-grandma. She was always so happy to hear from me, and there were lots to catch up on. Lastly, I would call my French grandma, who, if I was lucky, are you eating well? Not getting fat? Doing well in your studies? That's all I need to know. They all passed away shortly after I got back from college. But I'm very happy I have no other product.